That's what they tell in the interview. But on the basis of what they are saying, we cannot really judge that. Other thing is that they are not doing well, and they just want the money and switch over, and they just want you also as a stepping stone to go to a further other company and get a higher package. So it's I don't know. To me, I would say if I look at a candidate, I don't prefer a person who is swapping job very frequently. I at least want a person to be stable in a job for at least a year or two. Is more helpful. At least 2 years is something that we look at least stable.
I think I'm a very good example for this because I switched only one company. Same place. मेरा ये सेकेंड जॉब है. अभी फर्स्ट जॉब में तो यहीं से मिला था, कैंपस प्लेसमेंट था लॉयड से. एंड सिंस देन so job hopping this time, I think this impact your CV a bit. मैंने लॉयड में जब 2011 में ज्वाइन किया था, it was my third semester going on, and they said that no, for the first semester you have to work on. Okay, so I got the NOC from the college and worked for that fourth semester. So उसके बाद मैंने I put a lot into that. I was recruited in marketing, so in-house marketing totally it was. I worked for 1 year, one and a half year there. Then I felt like just switch some in other department. मैंने अपने डायरेक्टर से बात किया, जो कंपनी के डायरेक्टर थे, I was directly reporting to him. तो उन्होंने बोला ठीक है, let's try something else. इंटरनेशनल मार्केटिंग में मैंने स्विच किया था वहाँ से, मतलब मेनली जो इन हाउस मार्केटिंग थी. इन हाउस मार्केटिंग आई थिंक यू पीपल अंडरस्टैंड. एडवर्टाइजिंग, BTL and ATL activities. Understand? So I switched into international marketing. International marketing में आपका पूरा ये purchase, import, everything included. So where I think मैंने वहाँ पे ज़्यादा excel किया अपने ATL और BTL activities से, अगर मैं ज़्यादा देखूँ तो. उसके बाद I switched to Micromax in 2013. So from 2011 to mid of 2013 I worked with Lloyd, and June 2013 I started working with Micromax. So this is my second company and I'm still stick with that one. Stability बहुत ज़रूरी है. Stability seriously बहुत ज़रूरी है. And if you're working hard, trust me, I'm a living example right here, standing in front of you guys. सीरियसली बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट आपकी स्टेबिलिटी. आप स्विच करो, पैसे के लिए जाओ, सब चीज़ों के लिए जाओ, लेकिन अपने सीवी को ज़्यादा इम्पैक्ट मत करो. अगर आप वर्क हार्ड कर रहे हो, सीरियसली आपकी कंपनी पे करेगी, डेफिनेटली पे करेगी.
Let's listen to the directly from the horse's mouth.
As Suji just mentioned, right, that is very correct. Stability is required. Even if you ask me, like Professor Smriti especially addressed to me, like you can answer this question very well. If I see, like Suji mentions, 2 years is a very small stability. I'm contradicting, sorry Suji, I'm contradicting you, but yes, as she mentioned correctly, if you are getting for a role expansion, if you are getting a good role, good job profile, change is always acceptable, and nowadays everyone is doing that. But if you are going on the same role just for the sake of money, as Professor Smriti just mentioned, no need. Rancho Das ने यही बोला था ना? No need. Money will come to you, but starting में what is essential in your CV, in your profile is stability. That how much time you have spent in the company to know the company well. And being from HR, I can also tell you a very good thing, like which I generally used to tell my friends also. There's a component in your CTC whenever you get offer, whenever you join the corporate world, you will get a CTC component which is gratuity. Right? आप लोगों को एक पता होगा, Suchi and Anand will know that, and the faculty sitting here must be knowing that. There's a component gratuity which comes to you after 5 years of service. And that is part of your CTC, which has been offered to you at the time of starting of your job. So why to leave that? 25 years, take gratuity, move on. Gratuity is a good amount, and with the lifestyle we people are living nowadays, your salary will be less to give you any savings. That gradually will be your saving definitely. It's a real time thing I'm telling you, friends.
So I am eligible for gratuity now.
So take gratuity, leave your company. 5 years is sufficient to work in a company, to know the company well and to perform well. And to perform well and then to get the returns well. Because केवल performance करके क्या फायदा जब तो returns नहीं आएंगे. Make sense? Professor Sana, I think I have answered that. Thank you.